Hey guys, this is the literal next project coming up within the next 2 weeks. I picked this up about 2 weeks ago. This is just a donor car for my 2000 GTP, which this is a 2000. As you can see, it was munched pretty good in the rear, but the motor's good. It's actually got decent miles on it, and they also, I got it so cheap because of this. The previous owner had begun parting it out. As you can see, it's only got 151 on it. I got the electronics plugged in, the heads up works. Doesn't sound too bad actually. The transmission's actually in really good condition, so I got a spare. But there we go. There we go. This one definitely sounds a lot better than my other one, and I'm going to do a video on that one too. I'm going to try to get there today to fire it up, so you guys can hear how bad the rod knock was. And what took mine out was it blew the intake gaskets. About back in January, I was driving it up until June, so I guess it just took that long to spin a bearing. But I'll let you guys hear it and tell me what you think. I'm pretty sure the bottom end of the motor's gone on my other car. This one sounds perfect. I'm going to put a water pump on it, tune up, oil change, do the basic maintenance to it, because the supercharger is still good, no rattle. So I'm going to be doing the swappings from this one to my other car, and I do videos on that too. Supposedly you can take them out the top, so we're going to try that. The space constraint, but there's got to be a way to do it. Tell me what you think, guys, and I'll have another video to follow this one up. Alright guys, it's a follow-up video, and here's what we got. This is my 2000 GTP. This is the one with that lovely sounding engine. And here, let's see if I can start it. It'll sound fine, but definitely hear a rod knock. But that's what the other GTP motor is going into, is this. This car has a freshly rebuilt transmission with barely 20K on it. So this is what the project's going to be right here. Now, this one, like I said, blew the intake gaskets back in January. I fixed it, flushed the motor several times, finally got the oil clean. And then around June, I was driving and this happened. That lovely noise. Plus this thing's got really bad valve cover leaks. So this is going to be a fun process. And then I'll go ahead and take the motor apart too, because I actually want to see what it did. So here we go.